Usually I'd say don't really go for any Black Friday deals because it's just a way for stores to get rid of their previous generation stock. But this year, I think Adorama and BH did quite a good job. So for Nikon, the Z9, same price. But the Z7 II, we've gone from $3,000 to $2,600. The Z6 II, $2,000 to $1,700. Z5, $1,400 down to $1,000. And the Z50, the same price. So I think those are significant deals if you're in the market for those cameras. On the Canon front, we have R3 for the same price, R5C, $4,800 down to $4,600, R5, $3,900 to $3,700. The R6 II is not even shipping yet. The R7, same price, and then the R10, $100 off. Hasselblad X2D is still not shipping with B&H as far as I'm concerned. Now check out Fuji. The 100S, the medium format camera, $6,000 down to $5,500. That's $500. That's significant. Then the 50S2, which I think is a great camera, $4,000 down to $3,200. So $800 off. And then for Sony, the A1, A9 II, A7R5, A7 IV, A7S3, FX3, and FX30, none of them are on sale. So, not so good on the Sony front, but for Nikon and Canon, and especially Fuji, this is a great time to pick up those cameras.